Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most delicious and super quick Indian sweet recipe, Bread Kaja. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To make this recipe, here I have taken 2 bread slices, 1 small cup of sugar, few chopped pista and you can take any other dry fruits, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, half teaspoon of cardamom powder and oil for deep frying. Let's see the preparation method. First we need to remove the brown edges of the bread slices and then cut them into triangles as shown. Next, here I have taken some oil for deep frying. When the oil is medium hot, add in the bread pieces and fry them for a minute on both the sides till they turn crisp and golden brown. Now these are perfectly done. Let's take them out on an absorbing tissue paper and keep them aside. Next we need to make sugar syrup. So for that here I have taken a pan to which I am adding in 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water. For 1 cup of sugar I am adding in 1 cup of water, few saffron threads, and this is completely optional. Mix everything well until the sugar dissolves completely and let this boil for a minute and then take it out. Next add in the cardamom powder to the sugar syrup and mix well. Dip the fried bread slices into the hot syrup and soak them for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, take them out into a separate plate. Next, we need to coat all the bread slices with grated coconut like so and keep them aside. And finally, garnish with some pistachio or any other dry fruits and enjoy. So dear friends, if you like this video, do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.